Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari will not load the page because the server stopped responding. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having an issue that your Safari browser cannot load the page, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to scroll down your quick settings or control center, and you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings, and after doing that you just have to go for your settings app, and from here you have to go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN, and after doing that you just have to go back and then go for apps. You can go for Safari app from here, and you just have to select that, then scroll down and you will find the option of clear history and website data. Just select that option, then select clear history, and after doing that, if there will be any bug in your Safari browsers, it will be fixed in this tab and you'll be able to load your page. Or after doing that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to double check your internet because it might be help with your internet connection. So you just have to double check your internet connection, and after doing that all you have to go for settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If you have any network setting in your phones, it will be fixed in this step. And after doing that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open your Apple Store app, then select your iPhone, then select more option, and you just have to look for Safari app from here, and then select get more help, select call us, and you'll find a phone number to contact or call with Apple Support team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted with the Apple Support team member, and you can discuss about your issue and find official help from there. So in this page, you can easily fix your issue if your Safari browser could not open your page. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.